Imagine waking up to discover that one of the country's biggest fintech companies has lost its license. Naturally, one question comes to mind. What happens now?
Unlocking Africa's wealth code. Money Code Africa.
Welcome back to Money Code Africa, where we break down the biggest financial stories affecting Africans in simple, practical terms. Today, we are bringing you the latest update on the Zeepay license revocation and what has changed since our previous coverage. Let's get into it. The first major update is that Zeepay has publicly stated that it is cooperating with the Bank of Ghana. According to the company, it is working closely with regulators and other stakeholders to ensure an orderly process. Zeepay also says it remains committed to supporting its customers, agents, merchants, partners, and employees during this period. This tells us that the company is engaging with the regulators rather than remaining silent. But cooperation alone does not automatically reverse a regulatory decision. Now, for the question many people have been asking, has the license been restored? As of the time of recording this video, the answer is no. There has been no official announcement from the Bank of Ghana indicating that the revocation has been lifted. This means the license revocation remains in effect. It is important not to rely on rumors circulating on social media. Always verify information through official announcements from the Bank of Ghana or statements issued directly by the company. Another development is that Zeepay is reportedly facing additional legal challenges. Reports indicate that a creditor has initiated court proceedings seeking to recover an alleged debt of approximately $1.22 million. It is important to understand that these legal proceedings are separate from the Bank of Ghana's regulatory actions. A court case over debt is different from a regulator's decision about licensing, but both can affect a company's future operations. So, what does all this mean for customers? For users of Zeepay services, the key takeaway is that the company is not currently operating under its revoked dedicated electronic money issuer license. If you are a customer, merchant, or agent, continue to follow official guidance from the Bank of Ghana and monitor any communication from Zeepay regarding the transition process. Avoid making financial decisions based solely on social media posts or forwarded WhatsApp messages. In situations like this, misinformation can spread quickly. Looking ahead, there are three things we will be watching closely. First, whether Zeepay formally appeals or takes steps to regain its license. Second, whether the Bank of Ghana issues additional guidance regarding customers, agents, and merchants. And third, how the ongoing legal proceedings develop and whether they have any impact on the company's future. This remains a developing story, and we'll continue to monitor official updates so you don't have to. If there are significant changes, we will bring you another update here on Money Code Africa. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share it to a friend who uses Zeepay services. Share it with someone who uses mobile money or follows Ghana's fintech industry. Thank you for watching. And remember, financial knowledge is one of the greatest investments you can make. See you in the next video.